another issue was this new law that came out.
Another law?
Ninth Circuit Court ruled about, no police can't just walk up to you. If you're standing somewhere, police can't just detain you because you're standing somewhere.
Every day I wait for like my life on the line. Jungle in these streets, speaking peace on the line. Hustle to increase, put it all on the line. House to spouse, family, freedom, walking yards on the line. Every day on the line. Every day.
Police can no longer detain you for just walking away from them. Now, the California Supreme Court has just ruled that if you're in a park, if you're on the street, if you're in a group, and officers approach and you just walk away, you run away, it is no longer enough for them to detain you and say that this was suspicious activity. You can walk away, you can run away from them, and the rule was implemented, and the California Supreme Court has implemented this to protect people of color.
Okay, now, these new laws that's coming out.
It was a ruling, wasn't a law.
Ruling.
Ruling in Ninth
Do you
Circuit
have
Court.
the information where the listeners and viewers can go look it up for their own educational purposes? So they just won't take our word for it?
Give me a few seconds.
Because we don't want nobody taking our word for it and go out there and do some stuff and say, hey, man, JJ Fomby Jr. said I could do, so let's get them the information that they could go look it up for themselves and apply it to their everyday life.
Okay, give me a second to go down through and hit that like, hit that share, hit that subscribe button, you know what I mean? Come check out our audio. We on audio on all streaming platforms. Come check out our audio. Audio is vicious. Yeah. So we said this is what it was: is the California Supreme Court ruling will change how police interact with public when stopping and questioning. San Francisco, a new ruling. That's what Ninth Circuit Court is. I think it's there and Pasadena. A new ruling by the California Supreme Court may change how police interact with the public. Community groups say it's an important step to prevent overall policing, but some police unions say it's going to make it harder for police to work effectively. I think it's very important for decisions. So anyway, it's the San Francisco Public Defender's Office is elaborating on the ruling that came down. So yeah, you might want to check that out for yourselves.
Well, but where can they go?
Google. Just say I'm reading this from the Channel 7 News, ABC here in Los Angeles.
All right.
So if you just Google up California Supreme Court ruling will change how police interact with the public when stopping and questioning. And so yeah, then it goes in further elaborating. So basically, you don't. As a matter of fact, I think the case is People versus Marlon Flores. Yeah, on Thursday, the court ruled to restrict the grounds under the police can stop and hold people for question. It stems from a case, People versus Marlon Flores. Marlon Flores.
So what you gather, explain it to the listeners and viewers in layman's terms.
So, it was a time where if you stand in front of an apartment building or business and let's say the cops pull up and they tell you, hey, don't move. They just can't make you stop move. They don't know who you is, what you is, and you can just walk off. You ain't got to listen to them.
It's kind of resistance.
We're not resisting. You ain't got to play Simon Says be on pause that, man. You can run off, and then legally they can't chase you and make you say, well, I'm arresting you because you ran. Well, I ain't did nothing.
Okay.
I know it's a different style of policing. And I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm not for to encourage you to run from the police, but if you ain't did nothing, but if you did something, yeah, you better get on. But if you ain't did nothing, by law, because we conditioned. That's how we grew up. When I was dirty and doing something wrong, we did the moving. We ain't got time to do no talking. But now that I'm at a different age and living a different kind of lifestyle, when I mean lifestyle, I ain't out here doing.
Well, let's just
advise
the listeners and viewers to look that up, and then you can apply it to your everyday living. Just don't take us.
Don't blame us because we put the information out there.
We don't want to be encouraging you to do nothing wrong.
Yeah, just look that, Google that up, and then you make your own determination what it is. And if you get caught up and they put you in the golden cuffs or put you in some shackles, then make sure you let your attorney know about this case. A lot of them attorneys ain't gonna know about this case because it's laws made. Rulings come down every day. Laws made every day. So you just need to put that in your archive or have your people, go back to find our channel and come back and remember what we said for the case.
It's Google. Just Google it. It should be on the net. Then you can read up on it, and maybe you got a better understanding than we do. Shit, you can tap in with us, say, no, it says this, and then we can go ahead and talk about that.
Well, you can contact your attorney and bring it up to the attorney. Even if you got somebody, I don't know if it's retroactive. That part I don't know. So somebody already in custody as of yesterday or the day before this happened. Retroactive means as soon as they make the ruling, it goes into effect. That's what retroactive means. Effective immediately after the ruling goes down. Then from that point on, you can utilize that law. That's what that means. So just because somebody
does it have an effective date?
I don't know. I didn't read the actual.
Okay.
I just read what was in the newspaper.
Okay. So again,
that was published by the Channel 7 News.
Okay. Well, they have access to Google and the computer.
Yeah, you can go to Alexis Law, or you can go to the California Reporter, or you can look up the Ninth Circuit Court rulings, recent rulings, and then they'll have all the context of the wording of how it went down in court and how you apply it. So that part right there. So hit that like, hit that share, hit that subscribe. Come check out JJ and JJ Fami and Junior on our YouTube channel. Check out all the prior content. We've been doing this for several years now. So we got a lot of content.
Yeah, we've been on this for a while.
Yeah, we've been on a mission, man. Shout out to Gangster Chronicles, Digital Soapbox, Smooth Cut Production.
Oh yeah,
and Artist Shields.
Yes, Artist Shields.
And also now Musical Arena.
Who?
Musical
Arena. Okay.
Yeah. So we just make sure we shout out with
and all these people we shouting out. These are associates. We good friends with them. We they're good people. And outside of podcasting and video, these are like real people we talk to just about so we not trying to sell them or anything like that. These are real people we really know.
Yeah. Shout out to our two of our co-hosts when they pull up as a position.
Yes.
And King Crooked.
King Crooked. Yes. King Crooked.
Shout out to them. Shout out to Big
King
Trade.
Crooked. Got those shades, man. Hook up, get with King Crooked, man. He got that eyewear for you. Yeah, he just hooked up with the God Rakim and blessed him with some stuff. So shout out to King Crooked with the eyewear for the summer.
Yeah, because I need some eyewear.
The Big Trey D, they got. Ooh, man. Well, we'll let Trey D tell you about it. But if y'all ain't know, man, yeah, okay. Go check him out on Vlad too. Trey D just dropped a new interview on Vlad. Go check that out.
Oh, hold on. No, check him out on Vlad. Come over to On the Line Podcast and check him out on online podcast.
He over here, he over there. He omnipresent.
Yeah, you might well, and shout out to Yak as well.
Yes, Big Yak. Yes.
Check out our duffel bag music. Check out.
Also, too, man. One more quick shout out, man, to KD.
Oh yeah. Shout out KD, Crypto Asset Management Group. That's all we're gonna say.
Yes.
For sure, most definitely, man. I want to say this, and man, go check out all our prior shows. We did one with Trading.
Yes.
Did something with Crooked.
Yes.
Go check us out. Yeah, we did quite a few with Crooked. Yeah, go check out some of our past episodes.
Melee, we got one.
Oh yeah, first shout out to Melee. Also, hey Dub, we want to wave at you, Dub. How you doing, Dub?
Yeah, Dub come through. Yes, Dub been on a mission.
Yeah. We'll catch up with you.
Every day I wait for like my life on the line. Jungle in these streets, speaking peace on the line. Hustle to increase, put it all on the line. House to spouse, family freedom, walking yards on the line. Every day on the line. Every day on the line. Every